Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'll be giving you my full back day at the gym that is very beginner friendly, so stay tuned and all of the workouts will be linked in the description. First, I started with this cardio. If y'all know what this plated machine is called, let me know, but I just put 50 pounds on it and ran back and forth 10 times. After the warm up, I move right into barbell rows, and I start with just the barbell only, which is roughly 45 pounds. This is perfect and great for spine strength, and it also helps with your lats, traps, rhomboids, all of that good stuff. These are really amazing if you want to build your back fast. Next, I moved straight into my favorite workout, the reverse cable crossovers or reverse cable flies. These are amazing for beginners if you're getting started in the gym and you really want to feel that contraction in your back, because too often you'll be working out and you're starting out, you don't really feel anything. This will do it. No need to have any kind of extra accessory on each side of the cable. You could just hold onto the balls that are on the cable, and this is really good for improving your posture. As I mentioned before, this is going to train your upper back tremendously. It focuses on upper back, but it has a little bit of lower back to it as well, but you really feel it in your middle back. It's so good for your middle back, and it helps with that definition. Next, I moved straight into seated cable rows. I just used a straight bar. Typically, what you'll see is that people use that silver triangular thing to my right. However, I find that it doesn't give me much of a contraction where I would prefer, which is in my middle back. So I use this wide bar. As you can see, my hands are much farther apart than they would be with that silver narrow bar, and it gives me such a strong contraction, and it's really beginner friendly too when you are working on improving your grip strength to use this longer bar. Next, I moved into this reverse Delt Fly machine. It's really focusing on upper shoulders, the back shoulders here. However, you do get some contraction in your back, as you can see. It's not maximum because I'm at a very light weight. I was only doing 40 pounds, but it is such a great compound movement for your upper shoulders as well as your back. Guys, you will feel the burn. Next, I moved into these are king when it comes to building your back. They are way more harder than they seem. I was using 40-pound kettlebells and dying. So you're supposed to stand at a 90-degree angle, basically wide stance with the kettlebells in between your legs. And once you lift one for your row, you're supposed to lean on the opposite hand. So that's what I'm doing here. And I was physically dying, but you could see my back was thriving. So 10 out of 10 recommend. You guys got to try these and make sure you're hitting as many reps as possible. Go till failure and you will see results. Moved into standing rear delt raise. So these also focus on the back of your shoulders. However, you do get a strong contraction in your middle back as well. I really felt these. I used 15 pounds, but honestly, you can start with 10s just to be safe, and you're still going to get a strong burn if you get in enough reps. And then from there, I went into a pulsing set of 10, and guys, I died. That was the end of this workout. Comment below if you're going to try it. It will have your back feeling beautiful in no time. Honestly, these are the key movements that I've been doing for the past 2 months, and it has improved my back significantly. Consistency is key. Always make sure you're doing the same workouts every week and increasing the weight. And yeah, comment below what you think, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next